Imagine a world where every single function, every structure, every thought in your body is built from just 20 unique pieces. These tiny fundamental units are the unsung heroes of biology, the very alphabet of life itself. We're talking about amino acids. Amino acids are the basic building blocks of proteins. Think of them as individual Lego bricks, each with a specific shape and color. When these bricks link together in countless combinations, they form the intricate structures we call proteins. Without amino acids, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. They are absolutely essential for virtually every biological process, from muscle contraction to immune defense. Understanding them is key to understanding ourselves. Every protein in your body, from the enzymes that digest your food to the antibodies that fight off illness, is a complex chain of amino acids. These chains fold into precise three-dimensional shapes, and it's these shapes that dictate their specific functions. Just like letters form words and words form sentences, amino acids form proteins that carry out the instructions encoded in your DNA. They are the molecular machinery that makes everything happen. Despite their diverse roles, all amino acids share a common fundamental structure. At their core is a central carbon atom, often called the alpha carbon. This central carbon is the anchor point for 4 different groups. First, there's an amino group, which contains nitrogen and hydrogen atoms. Second, a carboxyl group composed of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. Third, a single hydrogen atom. The fourth group attached to the central carbon is what makes each amino acid unique. This is known as the R group or side chain. The R group can be as simple as a single hydrogen atom or a complex ring structure. It's the R group that gives each amino acid its distinct chemical properties. Some R groups are acidic, some are basic, some are polar, and others are nonpolar. These differences are critical for how proteins fold and interact. We classify amino acids into different categories based on their R groups and how our bodies acquire them. This classification helps us understand their nutritional importance and biological roles. There are 20 common amino acids that make up the vast majority of proteins in humans. Each one plays a specific part in the grand symphony of life. Essential amino acids are those our bodies cannot synthesize on their own. This means we must obtain them directly from our diet. There are 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, lysine, and tryptophan. Consuming a balanced diet rich in protein sources is crucial to ensure we get all the essential amino acids. Without them, our bodies cannot build the necessary proteins for growth, repair, and maintenance. Non-essential amino acids are those our bodies can produce internally. Even if we don't consume them directly through food, our cells can synthesize them from other molecules. Examples include alanine, aspartic acid, and glutamic acid. This internal production mechanism ensures that we always have a supply of these crucial building blocks. However, their non-essential label doesn't mean they are less important. It simply refers to their dietary requirement. Some amino acids are considered conditionally essential. This means they are usually non-essential, but under certain circumstances, like illness, stress, or rapid growth, our bodies might not be able to produce enough. Arginine and glutamine are examples. During these times, dietary intake becomes critical to meet the increased demand. Understanding these categories helps us tailor nutrition for specific health needs. Amino acids link together to form long chains called polypeptides, which then fold into functional proteins. This connection happens through a special type of chemical bond called a peptide bond. A peptide bond forms when the carboxyl group of one amino acid reacts with the amino group of another. This reaction releases a molecule of water, a process known as dehydration synthesis. Imagine 2 Lego bricks snapping together, but with a tiny water droplet popping out. This continuous linking creates a backbone, with the R groups extending outwards, ready to interact. The specific sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain is called its primary structure. This sequence is determined by your DNA and is incredibly important. A single change can alter the entire protein. This primary sequence then dictates how the chain folds into secondary structures, like alpha helices and beta sheets. These local folds are stabilized by hydrogen bonds. Further folding leads to the complex 3-dimensional tertiary structure, which is the protein's overall shape. Multiple polypeptide chains can then assemble to form a quaternary structure, like hemoglobin. The final, precise 3D shape of a protein is absolutely critical for its function. If a protein loses its correct shape, a process called denaturation. It often loses its ability to perform its job. Amino acids are everywhere, doing everything. Let's look at some real-world examples to truly grasp their impact. Think about your muscles. They contract because of proteins like actin and myosin, which are built from amino acids. Enzymes, the biological catalysts that speed up nearly every chemical reaction in your body, are proteins. From digesting your food to synthesizing new molecules, enzymes are constantly at work, all thanks to their amino acid composition. Hormones like insulin, which regulates blood sugar, are also protein-based. Neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in your brain like serotonin and dopamine, are often derived from specific amino acids. Your immune system relies heavily on antibodies, which are proteins designed to recognize and neutralize pathogens. Even your hair, skin, and nails are primarily made of proteins like keratin and collagen, all constructed from amino acids. To get the essential amino acids your body needs, you must consume protein-rich foods. Animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy are considered complete proteins because they contain all 9 essential amino acids. Plant-based foods often contain incomplete proteins, meaning they might lack 1 or more essential amino acids. However, by combining different plant sources, like rice and beans, you can easily obtain all necessary amino acids. A varied and balanced diet is the best way to ensure you're getting all the amino acids required for optimal health. Protein shakes and supplements can also provide amino acids, but whole foods are generally preferred. A deficiency in even one essential amino acid can have significant health consequences. It can impair protein synthesis, leading to issues with muscle growth, immune function, and overall bodily repair. In severe cases, prolonged amino acid deficiency can result in malnutrition, stunted growth, and a weakened immune system. This highlights just how vital these tiny molecules are for our survival and well-being. Amino acids are far more than just simple molecules. They are the fundamental language of life. They are the building blocks that construct every protein, enzyme, hormone, and structural component in your body. From the intricate dance of cellular processes to the strength of your muscles, amino acids are tirelessly working behind the scenes. Understanding them is not just about biology, it's about appreciating the incredible complexity and elegance of life itself.